Most roads are open now. I can actually leave my property from two different directions, but there has been trees and power lines down probably for the last 4 to 5 days. They're finally clearing roads. You actually have access to the grocery stores. Although I went to the grocery store today, I went to Aldi, I went to Walmart, I went to Food Lion. All three of them have limited produce. There's just a lot of stuff that's on the shelf. But even so, people are hitting it pretty hard. Stuff's going to run out pretty quick. A lot of the churches around here have been giving out free water. Thankfully, there's so many volunteers out there helping us get through this time. For me, experiencing this on my own, all by myself, has been like super traumatic. I have a million trees in my yard, and I'm so thankful I only had two down, and none of them caused any major damage. Thankfully, I was slight weight prepared. Having the van really helped me out. I didn't have power, so I was able to cook on my butane Coleman camping stove. People should be prepared for that. If your power goes out, how are you going to cook? Make sure you have briquettes, make sure you have wood, make sure you have something that's going to get you through these times. Because trust me, I had to cook everything that I had in my freezer and my fridge really quick so that I didn't waste a lot of food. Ice is scarce. People that don't have power and their freezer and their refrigerator are literally defrosting and food is spoiling. Ice is scarce. So be prepared for that. Thankfully, I have the van over there that has solar power. And if I didn't have the solar power, I would not be able to charge my battery banks that I've been using inside to power my Wi Fi and my phone to keep that charged because it's been so detrimental. Thank goodness I have signal because a lot of people don't. Verizon has a nationwide, outage with Verizon. I don't know if it has anything that impacts the storm, but the hurricane did impact a lot of people's network carriers. A lot of people are still without service to this day. I never lost service. I'm very thankful. People are out there that don't know where their family members are. It's really scary. This storm, I don't think that we were prepared for it. Western North Carolina was not 100% prepared for it. And there's some weird conspiracy theories going around about the storm, but whatever, I'm not paying attention to that. I'm just paying attention to the survivors and how we can help each other out.
Torrential rainfall from the remnants of Hurricane Helene capped off 3 days of extreme, unrelenting precipitation, which left catastrophic flooding and unimaginable damage in our mountains and southern foothills. Guys, tons of mountain towns are completely wiped out. There's people out there still missing. This is catastrophic. I have no idea when van life is going to return in Western North Carolina. The roads are completely shut off still. Guys, I don't know when van life is going to get back to normal out here in Western North Carolina. Follow along. Please like and subscribe.